Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing Avengers keychains right at home. You don't need any superpowers, just a few basic supplies and a little creativity. We'll explore different techniques, from simple paper crafts to working with polymer clay, so you can choose what suits you best. Get ready to add a touch of superhero flair to your keys or bag with a custom-made accessory. To start your superhero crafting adventure, you'll need a few key items. For paper keychains, grab some colorful paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable craft glue. If you prefer working with clay, pick up polymer clay in iconic Avengers colors like red, blue, and gold, along with a small rolling pin and an X-Acto knife for shaping. Don't forget the essential keychain rings, jump rings, and a pair of small pliers to assemble your finished piece. Acrylic paints and fine brushes are perfect for adding those intricate details and vibrant finishes. Now for the fun part, bringing your hero to life. First, sketch your desired Avenger symbol, perhaps Iron Man's head or Thor's hammer, onto your chosen material. Carefully cut out your design, ensuring clean edges. For paper crafts, layering 2 or 3 pieces with glue adds durability. If using polymer clay, sculpt your design, then bake it in an oven following the clay's specific instructions, usually at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes per 1/4 inch thickness. This hardens your creation. With your hero design complete, it's time for the final assembly. Carefully drill a small hole, approximately 2 millimeters wide, into the top of your finished piece. Use small pliers to open a jump ring, thread it through the hole, and then attach it to your main keychain ring. For added durability and a glossy finish, apply a clear sealant or varnish, especially on paper or painted clay. Finally, personalize your keychain with extra glitter, tiny charms, or even your initials to make it truly one of a kind. Now you have a fantastic, handmade Avengers keychain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.